Okay, today we're doing a special one. So we have a proper Guyanese guy here. He's a proper baker. So he's doing the famous Guyanese bake, or they call it Guyanese float bake. So Mr. Baker, this is Wesley. This is Wesley here. He's gonna give you all the ingredients and how the Guyanese do it with a float bake. So what have we got here, sir?
Just a bit where you got your flour, your sugar, a bit of butter. We're not using yeast because obviously with you guys' dietary requirements, so there's no yeast in this one. It's just baking powder, salt, and then just mix it all together.
Okay. Alright, so we're getting all the ingredients in and we're gonna mix it all together. How much flour do you use? What's the kind of...
It's down to quantity really, how much you want to make. I don't tend to, I've been doing this for too long, I don't tend to measure. I never measured anything that I did, so it's all down to feel.
Okay. Alright. So here we go, just gonna make the dough now.
Just mixing in the flour with the butter, getting an even spread around so you're not missing anything anywhere.
Okay. Alright. So once that's done, I'll come back. Okay, so our dough is there. Do you want to explain how you got it to that? It's not too dry, it's just enough, or how can you explain how it is now?
So obviously I like when I'm mixing the dough and I like to start off wet, so I'll make it as wet as possible and continue to add flour to get the consistency that I want while I was kneading. It's probably about 15-20 minutes kneading, making sure that the flour bonds with the water and everything else that's in it. I'm quite old school, so I'll leave it to even though it's baking powder and it'll sort of react with the heat if you was to start frying it now. I like to leave the dough to relax and activate a bit more. Get a little bit more out of it.
Alright.
Nice. So I'll leave that to just relax for about, I don't know, another 20 minutes or so, and then we can start frying now.
Okay, so after about half an hour, let the dough sit there until fluff up a bit more, let it rise a bit more, and as you can see, we got the proper traditional Guyanese cannery or Dutch pot ready to go. And now we gonna roll out the dough now. Yeah, this goes well with some ackee and saltfish. Even though I don't do fish anymore, but you can do the ackee by itself, or for those who eat fish, you can do fish with it. You can add some callaloo with it. This so versatile that you can use just about anything and this dough will go with it. There's a previous video I done with some ackee and that goes brilliant with it. You know, it's proper, man. I'm telling you that before it's even finished, it was done. This is how good this thing is. It didn't get time to settle. It was finished straight away.
If I had enough space, I would have done with both hands. No rush tonight.
We're just rolling them out. Ready to roll up.
Same action in your hand. But
there's a lot of different ways I can roll them up.
I grew up in a bakery, so
so this is what I'm saying. This is the real proper bakery guy. This is how the bakery does it.
Start off with 4 for now.
in the oil to see how hot it is. Okay, our first one is in. This they don't take long to fry. You just about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You flip them. It's just so easy to do. You get them to a golden color. It's up to you how golden you want them to be. To me, how we done it, it was perfect. You know, it was nice and crispy, and it was soft inside. It was lovely. See, that's starting to float. It'll start floating by itself. There you go. Alright, so they're getting nicely browned up. See how nice and brown they are? Yep.